I personally was diagnosed with autoimmune disease about a year ago, and my doctor dramatically restricted my diet. And one of the ways in which he restricted it was fish only and no egg yolks. So what am I supposed to do for lunch? Well, I combed the internet for all kinds of ways to make no egg, no mayo tuna salad, and I pulled a bunch of different things together and came up with this tasty recipe. Even my husband likes it. So here we go. First, you'll need these items. 3 5-ounce cans of white, solid albacore tuna, drained and flaked. 3 tablespoons of mustard, 3 tablespoons of dilled relish, a tablespoon of dried parsley, a third of a cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, we use red onion, salt, some black pepper, a fork, and a mixing spatula. Starting with your bowl of tuna, add 3 tablespoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a third of a cup of sour cream, this is Daisy sour cream because it's one of the better tasting ones. 3 tablespoons of dill relish, 3 tablespoons of chopped red onions, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. I'm going to roll it in my hands because I read somewhere on the internet that it releases the flavor, so here we go. Releasing the flavor. There we go, this is why I use gloves. Alright. And some salt just to season it, however much you want to put in there to make it taste good. And just enough black pepper to suit your taste. Pour it in there, however much you want. Once everything's in the bowl, then we mix it. I start with a fork, kind of mash everything together. Getting nice and this. And then I kind of used a spatula to get some of this cream and get it all mixed together. Just cap it all off. Yummy! And that's it! All done! There's your tuna. Ready to go? Just put it in the fridge overnight and the next day it'll taste great. There you go. Thanks for watching, and if you liked our little tutorial on how to make no mayo, no egg tuna, feel free to leave any comments or questions below, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks again. Have a great day.